Hi, it's Catherine, and my channel is KV Creative Designs. Thank you for visiting. So, I am deaf and oral. Some of the videos will be in sign, others will be with talking with the captions down below. But today I'm very excited. I wanted to share with you a new product that I got, and I'm giving like a little review. So the product is a light that I can use to make different videos. And I'm going to be working on videos for my art and eBay and reviews, my Ipsy, different things. So, this is the light. I just received it yesterday, so it's new. I'm just opening it. I'm going to review it with all of you. The box is nice. Packaging is nice. Your tripod. It's a nice bag. Opens up. Okay. Opens. And I'm tightening it. Maybe I don't want to tighten that yet. So I can move this part up and down for the height. Okay. That looks like where maybe the light or the phone goes. We'll see. So the light you have to plug in. I'm going to use my phone charger. The USB. Okay. Here's the light. And turn it on. Oh. Wow. Bright. It's got 3 different light shades. Oh, that's on and off. You change the color. That's more yellow. More blue. That's 3 different. And you can make it less bright or more bright. So that's lower, more bright. Kind of cool. Okay, I'm going to turn it off for a minute while we set up. The phone holder. Okay, so open the clips. Okay, so this opens. Okay. This goes around the pole. You clip it on. There. Nice and tight. Tighten that so it stays. Tighten that so it stays. Move it a little bit. Okay. So then, this screw here. It screws on. There's like a little knob that you turn. Okay. Let's see. So that's on there. The light's on there. Telephone holder's on there. The phone holder. Not sure. This goes to the remote shutter so you can take pictures when you're doing a video at the same time. I'm not going to use that. So let's see. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put the phone in the holder. Excuse my mess. Okay, let's try the light. All right. Whoa. Wow, that's really different. That's going to be good. So I'm going to try to make more videos and have better lighting for that. And I'll share my eBay things, new products, my art. So bear with me. It's going to be a new experience for me. Thank you for joining me today. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.